Hey guys, Fred Sekop here. So, if you've been looking for a very cheap way of making international phone calls to your family and friends overseas or anywhere around the globe, then I think this video is for you. So, welcome to Talk360. Talk360 is an app that lets you make international phone calls to anyone at anywhere in the world with your actual phone number without paying the exorbitant fee that you pay when you're using your normal service provider. But you might be wondering, can't I do this already with WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or even Telegram? And the answer is yes, you can. But with this app, the person you're calling needs to have the app installed on their phone. And they also need to have internet connection on their phone. And this is where Talk360 runs supreme. With Talk360, the person you're calling doesn't need to have the app installed on their phone. And the person you're calling also doesn't need to have internet connection. It works like a local phone call, but the advantage here is that it is way cheaper than what you're going to pay using your normal service provider. You can use it to call any mobile number and landline at a very low rate. You can call someone with as low as 7 cents per minute, which is equivalent to 18 naira per minute. In context, your local service provider charges way higher than this for international calls. Let's say you want to call someone in the US. As you can see here, the international calling rate with a local service provider in Nigeria is about 31.2 naira, or about 12 cents per minute, which actually seems reasonable. But if you come down a little, you'll see the clause that is under terms and conditions, which states that voice calls to any destination not covered in the voice rate table is charged at 432 naira per minute, which is equivalent to $1. And guys, that is way too much. So what if I want to call someone in Ghana? The rate got increased drastically, as you can see here, and it keeps on going higher and higher depending on the country and region. But with Talk360, you save up to 90% of your mobile call cost across, which I feel is the best among other options. Now, to get started, all you have to do is head over to your Google Play Store or your Android smartphone or your iOS App Store and download Talk360. Don't worry, I'll have links to everything in the description box below. Upon completing the registration process, you're going to get $5 free credits. Remember, your real phone number is required for registration and verification. Just key in your phone number and wait for the verification code, and that is it. And you can start calling immediately. As you can see here, the app has a very familiar interface, similar to what you get on your normal phone app. Yeah, we have the messaging tab here, as you can see here, for messages. Then there's a recent tab for quick glance through your call log. Then we have the keypad where you can dial a number. Then we have the contact tab where all your phone contacts is located. And the last option here is the menu option that gives you access to a lot of other features like buying of credits, checking the call rate of different countries. Then there's also an option to invite a friend. And when you invite a friend, then he or she makes a purchase. Then both of you get $5 call credit. And you can invite as many friends as you want. There are other options like sharing of credits with someone, redeem vouchers, support, and your account information. To buy additional credits, it is very simple and straightforward. You just click on buy credits, then select the amount that you want to buy and click on next to enter your payment information, and the rest is self-explanatory. So guys, to really test this app, I'm going to call my friend that is in Canada. His name is Alex. Let's see, or let's hear how clear the call quality is, okay? Hey bro, what's up?
Hey, that's Fred.
I'm good. I'm right out there.
What's up?
It's good, bro. How's Canada, bro?
Yeah, we're doing alright. Just with my son right now.
Wow, that's great. Okay, so there's this app that I'm currently testing out. It's called Talk360. I don't know if you've heard about it.
No, I haven't.
Okay, I would really encourage you to try it out. It's actually an international calling app whereby you can use to make calls to any local number or mobile number without getting those exorbitant charges that you get from your normal service provider. It's really, really cool.
Nice. How do I find the app?
If you're using an iPhone, it's on the Play Store and App Store. How is the call quality? Is it really good as normal phone calls?
It sounds good, like I can hear it perfect.
Yeah, that's really, really nice.
Check out the app.
Yeah.
All I need is just Wi-Fi or internet.
Yeah, the person you're calling doesn't even need to have the app installed on their phone. So if you're the one making the call, you just have to install the app on your phone, and that's it.
Wow. I'll check it out. What's the name of the app again?
Talk 360.
Perfect, man. Perfect. It's good to hear from you, bro.
All right, man. Cheers, cheers. So nice to hear from you too.
Thanks for the update.
All right, all right. Have a nice day, bro.
Alright, you too. Bye.
Bye, bro. So, guys, you heard it loud and clear. The call quality is as good as you calling somebody next to you. So, one of the things I love about this app is how simple and intuitive it is to use. Yeah, it is very simple to use. It has a familiar user interface. It's similar to what you get on your normal phone calling app. Very simple. So that is it, guys. I'll highly encourage you guys to check out Talk360. And as I said initially, I'll have links to everything in the description box below. So make sure to check the description box for all the necessary information. Kindly share your thoughts with me down in the comment section below. Let's discuss. Yeah. And if you enjoyed this video so far, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Yeah. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll talk to you guys in the very next one. Bye-bye.